What to do if you hit an animal while driving? Immediately stop your car if an accident occurs and an animal got injured. Don't panic and stay at the scene. The police and the owner may ask for details. Turn around the car to reach the accident spot. It is safer than walking as the animal can attack you. Examine the situation and make sure of your safety. If safe, exit the vehicle and try to help the injured animal. Leave the car and approach the animal cautiously. Be aware as the passing traffic is dangerous to you. Maintain some distance from the wounded animal because the animal will be terrified and try to attack you. If the animal is dead, inform the police. Check for the baby animals near the dead animal. Thank you for watching. For more, visit our site www.carlearner.com.